Next one I'm going to look at 2013 is the January paper C2. I've got two questions to look at. Question 3, they give you out the sequences. So you've got A, which is UN equals 2A. You've got B, which is UN equals 1 over 2N. And you have the C1 there. So I'll just move the page across and make the C1 in. So the C1 is UN equals 2 minus 1N. It says write out the first 4 terms and hence state if it converges, that goes to one value, oscillates, so it goes up and down, or diverges, it gets further away. So working out U1, 2 to the power 1, U2, 2 squared, U3, 2 cubed, U4, 2 to the 16. So this one's getting bigger and bigger each time, going further away, so it diverges. This one, U1, 1 over 2, U2 is 1 over 2 squared, U3, 1 over 2 cubed, U4, 1 over 2 to the 4. It's getting smaller and smaller each time, so it is converging. And this one here, U1, 2 to the minus 1 to the power of 1 is minus 2. U2, 2 to the minus 1 squared is 2. U3, 2 to the minus 1 cubed is minus 2. U4, is 2 to the minus 1 to the 4, which is 2. This one is oscillating. This is going up and down. Now, the next bit of the question says, for any sequence that converges states its limit. So, well, it converges is the middle one. So what I would do is I put in a really high value of n. So let's say n equals 100. So the wee sequence becomes 1 over 2 to the n. So it's 1 over 2 to the 100. Put that in your calculator and you'll see it tends to 0. So that's that one looked at. The next question we're going to look at in this paper is question 5. If I could just scroll down to question 5. A man wishes to share C pounds between his 6 children. The children get increasing amounts of money given according to their positions in the family. The youngest gets the smallest and the eldest gets the largest. The amount of money forms a GP. So that's the first thing. So GP. The term formula UA is ARM minus 1. SN is ARM minus 1, R minus 1. Or the other way around. I tend to use this one if R is beneath 1 or between 1 and minus 1, and use this one if R is bigger than 1. So let's read on with the question. The youngest child gets 17 and the eldest gets 4131. So the first term is 17. You've got 6 children and the eldest one, so that would tell me that the eldest one, the 6th one, they get 4181. So I'm going to use my term formula in here with n equals 6. So A is 17, R we don't know, n is 6, and that equals 4131. Bring your 17 across and divide, and you get R5 equals 243. Find the 5th root of that, and you'll get R equals 3. I'm just going to, sorry I don't need to substitute it in because they have the A value. Just check back at the question. Find the common ratio. That's done. Hence find C. If you look back at the first line, C is the total amount of money. So that's the first part done. So the part 2, SN, the total amount of money is what I'm looking for here. Just using my formula A, R, N is 6 children, over R, 3 take away 1. And just putting that straight through the calculator, you get an answer of 6188.